Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to sign in to Trust Wallet. First thing first, on your mobile device, launch the Trust Wallet app. Tap the Scan QR Code button on the top right of your home screen and use it to scan the QR code displayed by the app you're trying to connect to. This initiates connection process between Trust Wallet and the app. Now after scanning, you'll see a connection request pop up in Trust Wallet. Review the details, make sure the app URL is correct and trusted. Then tap Connect to approve. Once approved, your wallet is linked. Now go back to the app in your browser or desktop and you should now see your wallet marked as connected. From here, you can trade, stake tokens, swap or perform any transactions using your Trust Wallet. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.